what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can write meta descriptions for your pages and posts on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, there are two ways in which you can do this. I'll be showing you one. The other way is using an SEO tool or an SEO plugin, which I cannot use at the moment since I'm on the free plan for WordPress. Now, there is a free way to do this, and it is pretty much the same thing, and I'll make an example by adding a meta description to a page. So what you want to do is go to pages and then all pages. You can do this through the editor if you're creating a new page as well. However, if you want to add it to an already existing page, for example, I'll go to the about section, just click edit next to the page that you want to edit or below its title. And then once you're here, you need to go over and click on the settings icon in the top right. Now, once you're here, you'll be in the page section where you want to be, and scroll down until you get to the excerpt menu. Click on it to expand it, and here you can write an excerpt. Now, the excerpt is pretty much the meta description. Meta descriptions show up in search engines. They are picked up by search engine spiders, and then they're shown when you get your search results. They are shown right under the title of the page that you're searching for. So if I were to write here, for example, this is an about section, this would be a pretty bad meta description. However, it would be a meta description nonetheless. In the meta description, you do want to add as many terms that you want the search engine to pick up when people search for your pages, and that is pretty much what you need to do. Of course, you can manage the desired length, and you can also generate it yourself using AI if you want to, and this length setting is used for the AI generation. Alternatively, of course, you can manually just write it here, and that should be pretty much it. It is optional, but it is recommended that you do this, and once you do that, just click save, and all changes will be saved, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.